Mayang diumbah, umbah dengan jalur. Mayang diulet,
Hutan
ulet dengan
Sengkala
putri.
Esok Sengkala
Nyadua
Semua Gusti. Sejarah Sejarah Let me read beautiful story from the Malay NS. Once upon a time, there was a great Hindi prince, descendant of the Alexander the Great, descendant of Nabi Sulaiman. He came all the way from India down. He wanted to attack China, but he lost his way. He lost his way. He go all the way down to the southern, and he ended up in the Pasir. And now, let me introduce to you Raja Suran the Great, who want to conquer China. Raja Suran, where are you?
Aku Raja Melayu, bukan anak, bukan bapa, bukan suku, dan bukan bapa. Ini Raja Melayu yang berasal dari nasab Iskandar Zulkarnain yang turun ke Raja Hindi. Aku Raja Melayu yang berharta, berdarjat, berdaulat, dan bernasab. Descendant of Iskandar the Great.
Descendant of Iskandar the Great.
The warrior.
The warrior.
The fighter.
The fighter.
The chosen one.
The chosen one.
The chosen empire.
The chosen empire.
The chosen people.
Chosen people. Your Highness.
Yes.
We have reached the Southern Asian border.
Is it?
Penghujung benua Asia.
Oh,
Yes,
really?
Your Highness. This place is Temasek.
So then, where is the Chinese?
Oh, Your Highness. This is the land of the Malays. There are no Chinese here. This is the land of the Malays, Your Highness. There are no Chinese here.
But I want to conquer China. I want to attack the Chinese because
We are the chosen one. We are the chosen empire. We are the chosen people.
They were very confused. From India to China, they lost their way. They're supposed to cross the mountain, but they go towards the south and ended up in Temasek. Meanwhile, when they come all the way to from India to Temasek, the Maharaja of China heard about them coming to attack China. So they sent one big ship, old ship and old men, very old.
Yes, Your Highness. And then other Chinese people come over. Maybe we can ask them, why is China, Your Highness? Sure, go.
Hai, dia tu gentleman. Dia tu gentleman. Do you know how far is China?
Why do you want to go to China?
We want to go to China because
We want to Hey, Tommy! Mama!
No, you better let them finish what they want to say.
No. Forget whatever he said. That's not what we want to do. We actually want to attract Chris. Oh, I see. Well, China is very, very far from Temasek.
Yes.
Very, very far.
Oh, very far. Very far. Only.
Last time, before we sail from China to Temasek, I am only 18 years old. But now, I am 81 years old. Look at the ship now. Last time, before we go, it was new. Now, it's rusty. It's old.
Yes, and look at the needles. It has turned rusty, and the seeds has turned into trees.
Oh.
And to conclude, my friend,
Okay, what?
that is how far China is from Temasek. Now, do you want to go to China?
Very stupid.
I think we shall not attack China.
We better go.
So what are we going to do now?
Go.
Let me think first.
Your Highness, if you go without anything, Your Highness, ayo, malu lah.
But I am Raja Suran the Great.
Yes, you are.
I have conquered Indochina and the land of humans.
Yes.
So now I want to go into the sea and conquer the kingdom of the sea.
We are the chosen one. We are the chosen empire. We are the chosen people.
Sekapu sire seulas pina diberi bekal buat berangsang. Pergilah kita, pergilah sayang ke tengah medan, pergilah berjuang.
This is Siri, Pak Siri. Adat orang Melayu mengagungkan Pak Siri. Ini kapur buat jalinan. Segala yang bersengketa akan menjadi satu. Gambir, kapur, tembakau. Wan Empok, Wan Malini, come, eat sirih with me.
Ini adalah jaga zaman bersama. Sirih dijunjung pembuka adab, banyak khasiat, maksud tersirat, warisan budaya Melayu beradab.
We cannot understand all language with the normal modern thinking. We cannot understand the old words in the Malay language now. This is sirih. Orang Melayu itu pandai membungkus segala budaya, agama dalam satu peti besi yang dianggap sebagai jati diri dan harga diri.
What's that?
I can see it's still bright, huh?
Can't you see what I see?
I think I see what you see.
You have a closer look.
No. I think we should just go tomorrow, okay?
Cheese, nakut.
Alright.
Raja Suran had gone down the sea and married the princess under the sea. He got 3 princes who are all grown up, very handsome, very kaya, very stunning, very fair.
Hey!
Yes. And these 3 princes was told to return to the land of the human. They seem so powerful. But like their father Raja Suran, again they lost their way. They supposed to land at Temasek, but they land up at Bukit Seguntah. And I have to tell you about Bukit Seguntah. Pardon my language. Maybe tak sekolah. My English. Here now is the story of a city called Palembang in the land of Andalas. It was ruled by Demang Lebardao, a descendant of Raja Sulan. And its river was called Muara Tatang. The upper reaches of the Muara Tatang was a river called Melayu. And that river, in the middle of the river, there's one pulau, one island, a hill. It's called Bukit Seguntah. And that is where one Empok and one Malay grow up their crops, grow up all their party. And here we listen to their story. Bukit Seguntah.
The stock turned bronze and the leaves turned silver. But why?
I think they are the reason why.
Who?
Yeah, let's take this and go.
I have heard about the arrival of the 3 young men. They are extraordinary. They wore great thrones from Alexander the Great. They bring magic weapons from under the sea. I think it is good. We make them our kings. Raja Melayu.
Aku Raja Melayu, bukan anak, bukan bapa, bukan suku dan bukan bapa. Ini Raja-Raja Melayu yang berasal dari nasab Iskandar Zulkarnain yang turun ke Raja Hindi. Kita Raja Melayu yang berharta, berdarjat, berdaulat dan bernasab.
sang nila pahlawan.
Yes.
Aku beri gelaran sang si Perba. Aku jadikan kau raja di Minangkabau.
Minangkabau.
Sang Krishna Pandita.
Yes, saya.
Aku rajakan kau di Tanjung Pura.
Tanjung Pagar.
Sang Nila Utama. Aku beri gelaran Seri Tribuana. Raja di Palembang.
We are the kings, descendant of Iskandar the Great, the warrior, the fighter, the chosen one, the chosen empire,
The chosen people. Heis. What is a fish tank without its fish? What is a helicopter without its blades? And what is a king without its queen? I want to get married.
The king is getting married. The king is getting married. The king. Want to get married? The king is getting married.
And so, sang Nila Utama married a beautiful virgin in Palembang. But the next day,
What happened to you? You look so ugly. Get lost. Get out of my sight. Get out.
the wife turned ugly, the face very itchy. So he was very angry and he married another one the next day. But
What happened to you? You became so huge and ugly. Get lost. Get out of my sight.
he was so furious. And so he married all the virgin in Palembang, but all turned kedal and ugly. Don't know why. Why? It's the disease. Become kedal. When the kedal, when you garuk, become gatal. When you garuk your face, you become very ugly. And this, he will throw all the wife out of the palace. And then,
Your Highness,
Yes.
why do you look so sad?
I will repeat myself. What is a fish tank without its fishes? What is a helicopter without its blades? And what is a king without his queen? I want to get married.
Your Highness, have married all the virgins in Palembang, and all of them got the same disease and turned ugly. We have no more virgins, Your Highness.
You liar!
It is true, Your Highness. I think you should go for a checkup. I'm serious, Your Highness. I think you are the disease carrier. All the virgins turned ugly and got the disease.
How dare you!
Okay, Your Highness.
I know you are lying
No.
because I still can smell a virgin in our empire. And that is
That is for you.
your daughter!
No. Your Highness, you can marry my doctor. I don't want to get the disease. You can marry my doctor, right?
Choose. Let me marry your daughter or I kill you.
Alamak. Nak kahwin ni pasal. Kahwin lah.
So, can I marry your daughter to Manglabar?
Yes, you can marry my daughter. But I have some conditions for you.
Sure. Anything.
If my daughter gets a disease the next day, You shall not throw her out of the palace. You shall keep her as a wife.
Okay, that should not be a problem. Anything else?
If your people have made a mistake, if you need to kill them, just kill. But never, Your Highness, never bring shame to the deceased family.
Okay, I agree with that condition. But I too shall have a condition for you.
Okay, what is it, Your Highness?
The people shall never disobey the king. Even though the king is brutal, even though the king is evil, they shall never disobey the king. Derhaka namanya tu. And if they disobey me, they will feel my wrath, and I will kill all of them, and will terima my daulat Tuan Mi.
But if the king disobey the agreement, that will be the end. That will be the end of your kingdom.
I agree.
This is the most important agreement between the king and the people, between raja dengan rakyat. This agreement is one-sided, and because of this agreement, you can see all the story in the Malay Annals. All the story. The raja lost his kingdom and the people kena daulat because of this treaty. This treaty is one-sided. Very one-sided.
Yang Melayu kita mesra alam dan sabarannya, yang Melayu kita jago di puncak dunia. Yang Melayu kita besar harapannya, yang Melayu kita tinggi daulatnya.
Di mana tumpah di kuah kalau tak nasi. Like Raja Surat. Sang nila utama cannot stay still. Although he's already a raja in Palembang. He want to travel and conquer. And so now, he came all the way from Sumatra, all the way from Palembang to Bintan. And once at Tanjung Pura, they saw a very beautiful island, very beautiful. Crystal water against the dark blue sky, the white sand. They are so mesmerized by the beauty of the island.
Hey, what is that?
I think I know, Tuanku. It is Temasek.
Temasek?
Yes, Tuanku.
Let's go there. Let's go there.
Memukul kapal. Ribut Taufan. Bermarajalela.
This is a joke. He said he saw a typhoon and a dead waves. Can't be.
Tuanku. dan segala-gala benda, harta benda dibuang daripada kapal. Termasuklah mahkota juga dibuang dalam laut.
He said he saw me through all of our things down the sea, including the throne. Your Highness.
So what?
Mahkota dibuang ke dalam laut. Itulah tandanya. Dengar betul-betul. Itulah tandanya. Tanah Temasek ini tidak boleh mempunyai raja.
What do you see? Say,
Tanah Temasek tidak boleh mempunyai raja.
he said, when the throne was thrown into the sea, this land of Temasek will never have a king.
Yes. Tanah Temasek, I repeat, tidak boleh mempunyai raja.
Funny you.
Of me, raja.
I want both of you to catch him
And kill him! Go!
It is
It's too fast. Are we too slow? No! Too fast, no? What's that?
What is that?
if I'm not mistaken, is the physical, the color, the fierceness, is called this singer.
Singer.
The singer,
Yeah.
the powerful beast, yes. The mythical impersonal creature,
Yes.
the singer,
Yes.
the singer,
Yes! Then I shall name this land Singapura!
Singapura!
Senang-senang masuk ke orang basketball negeri sendiri.
What did I tell you? Kill him!
He is the king, the descendant of Iskandar the Great, the warrior, the fighter, the chosen one, the chosen empire, the chosen people. Zaman berganti, raja pun pulang. Raja ditanam di bukit larangan, maka masih terpelihara sayang namanya tersalah orang.
Sang Nila Utama was dead after he became the first king in Temasek, Singapura. He was buried at the Fort Canning. At the Fort Canning there is one makam. They call it Makam Iskandar Shah, but they are wrong. That makam is not Makam Iskandar Shah, no. They never learn history, never read Malay, sejarah Melayu. They got confused. I think National Heritage Board got confused. The first king in Temasek is Sang Nila Utama, or we call it Sang Sapurba, who come to Temasek, saw a singer, and then died there, buried at Fort Canning. Then we got a second king, a third king. Now I skip the story. Now we have the fourth king of Singapura. They were still Hindu. Islam haven't come to Temasek yet. So now they are still Hindu until Tun Janakate arrive.
He is Tun Janakate. He arrived from Sumatra, and he brought along with him a new religion.
Bow down to the king.
you want me to believe in your religion, then show me a miracle.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. اللهم سخر لنا هذا البحر. Ya Allah, tundukkan untuk aku lautan ini. Kama sakharta al-bahra li Musa, sebagaimana Engkau telah tundukkan lautan untuk Musa. Wa sakharta an-nara li Ibrahim, sebagaimana Engkau telah tundukkan api untuk Ibrahim. Wa sakharta ar-riha wasy-syayatin wal-jinna li Sulaiman, sebagaimana Engkau telah tundukkan angin dan syaitan dan jin untuk Sulaiman. Wa sakhir lana, dan tundukkan untuk aku. Sakhir lana kulla syai', ya Allah, tundukkan aku semua perkara. Ya man biyadihi malakutu kulli syai'.
And suddenly,
Magic! Power! We must embrace the religion, Polko! We must embrace the religion! We must embrace the religion! We must embrace the religion! Oh.
Wow! Show me your powers! Show me your magic! Wow! The Pinang trees are cut into two! The Pinang trees are cut into two! That's amazing! That's amazing!
Tuanku, he purposely show his power to your queen. He's testing the water. Grateful! If you let him go, confirm he will capture Prince Han.
Yes, Tuanku.
He'll take over your kingdom, Tuanku! He'll take over your throne! That's right.
If what the both of you say is right, then I want the both of you to catch him and kill him!
And bring him to Kampung Glam.
Yes! My grace.
You
Go kill him.
You kill me, Singapura will get a disaster.
Hey,
Percayalah, percayalah Singapura akan dilanda mana petaka yang dahsyat.
Johnny? Sekarang? Yes. Nah. Wow. Apa jadi? Mana dia pergi? Tahu dia pergi. Tadi dia kat sini. Korang angkat dia tadi habis hilang. Bagi dia macam ni, you susah. Habis macam ni lah. Alamak.
Di Senggora, pandan terletak di Langkahi. Darah menitis di Singapura, jasad terlantar di Langkawi. Sudah.
Tolak!
Baju pun dicari.
Behind you! Apa sebenarnya bukan betis? Bukan itu cara lawannya. Okey. Berkorban jiwa melawan toda. Anak-anak menjadi yatim. Isteri-isteri menjadi janda. Batang pisanglah caranya. Akal. Itulah caranya. Lebih mudah mengubah rawan, lebih jantan dari jadi pahlawan.
Batang pisang? Interesting. Is that a banana trunk?
No, Raja. Swimming trunk. Yes. Raja. Batang. Yes. Banana pisang. Tapi jangan jadi bodoh, tuanku. Jangan jadi bodoh. Yes, tuanku. This boy here is a threat. Kalau kecil-kecil cili padi, besar nanti akan membakar lidah, tuanku. Yes, tuanku. This boy he will take you for granted. I agree. Kalau kecil-kecil sudah pintar, besar nanti akan jadi raja, tuanku. Tuanku, this boy he wants to be the You King Sun, tuanku. Mata orang Kingdom satu. Come on.
If the two of you batu api tak guna is right, I want the both of you to catch him and kill him.
And throw him into the sea!
Yeah! Throw him into the sea!
Hey! Talk some more! Hey! Batang pisang ni! Pisang goreng! Guna! Pisang goreng! Pisang goreng!
Tinggallah kanda, wahai pujaan, selamat jalan. Mengapa kita berjumpa, bercinta dan putus pula? Mengapa kita berjumpa, bercinta dan putus pula? Kalaulah nasib, apalah dikata.
Apalah daya, aku seorang perempuan. Mana mungkin aku ketawa, tersenyum pun tiada pernah. Mana mungkin aku gembira. Aku tunangan orang, dirampas dijadikan gunting raja. Aku anak bendahari Rajunatapa, dirampas dijadikan gunting. Aku seorang perempuan, dirampas dijadikan gunting. Aku hanyalah seorang perempuan. Mana mungkin aku ketawa, tersenyum pun tiada pernah.
I heard she's a new concubine. Concubine? Concubine. I heard she has a fiancé. Fiancé. What? Come. I heard King Paramiswara. I love you so much. Yes!
And the court has said that Dam Anum Gunit Raja is found guilty for meeting man secretly.
Yeah, transform!
Padanya
Miswara berkuasa di Singapura. Dang Anum, anak bendahari rupawan, hanya layak menjadi gundik aku. Dang Anum, bangsat kau Dang Anum, bangsat kau. Sanggup kau bertemu dengan lelaki lain? Kau adalah milik aku, bukan hak milik orang lain Dang Anum. Bangsat kau. Akan aku arak kau keliling pasar, tapi sebelum aku sulut kau dulu Dang Anum. Because the palace is mine, the people are mine, and the woman are mine.
Aku Sang Rajunatapa, bapa kepada Dang Anum, putriku yang aku tunangkan kepada Panglima. Disebabkan kau raja yang aku sembah, aku sanggup memberikan putriku jadi gundik. Disebabkan kau raja yang aku sembah, disebabkan kau raja yang aku sembah, aku tega jiwa putriku hancur lebur. Disebabkan kau raja yang aku sembah, aku rela anakku dibunuh kerana dikatakan menjadi onar di istana. Tapi kau telah malukan anak aku. Kau telah malukan aku. Kau telah memalukan keluarga aku. How dare you call yourself a king? How dare you call yourself a king? How dare you kill my daughter? How dare you disgrace me? Perjanjian Melayu tidak boleh diubah. Kalau perjanjian Melayu diubah, binasalah kerajaan kamu. Aku Sang Rajunatapa, aku akan membuka pintu Temasek. Biar Majapahit menyerang Temasek. Majapahit serang. Aku akan belot.
Lokal lama Majapahit mahu menakluk Singapura. Lokal lama aku mendambakan Singapura. Sejak zaman Paduka Seri Wikramawira, tata sumbang kakang Majapahit ditolak, dihina. Pahlawan Majapahit pula ditewaskan oleh Padang pada waktu Seri Ratna Wikramawira. Inilah masa yang lama aku tunggu-tunggukan. Sang Rajunatapa had rebelled. He had returned to me. He will open the city door for Majapahit to enter and attack. Singapura will be attacked. Para Miswara will be slaughtered to death. Singapura will be mine. Singapura will be mine.
Aku tak ada keris, sabar. Alamak, kau keris pula. Macam mana? Okey lah. Ambil kau. Belum lagi. Mati kau. Maaf, tolong mak. Hidup lagi. Kau ada WhatsApp?
Melayu
Your friends are in Australia.
bersatu.
I did this.
Andai dipisah Melayu aku, hilanglah dari duniamu. Mereka mencari
Give him some wipes.
Sarung ni.
Gugur satu persatu. Satu persatu.
Singapore is ours!
Penat pusing-pusing. Singapore is ours. Always.
This is sejarah Melayu. We have no more king after this. All the fighting four king died, and the fifth king Parameswara to open Malacca. So Parameswara is called Iskandar Shah, and that is why I say the makam Iskandar Shah at Fort Canning. Nonsense. The makam there is actually makam Sang Nila Utama, because Iskandar Shah already buried at Malacca. And this is my cast, everyone.
Faris, penjana kata Faris, kemudian Helmi, Hamizan,
Ni raja.
Amirul, Syafiq, Anissa. Thank you everybody for coming. The first time I see is full house.